everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lizelle, your Pinay at home. I know it's been a while that I've been here, but you guys, I have such a big news with you. I mean, this is really big for my family because we actually moved from Kentucky to Alabama. I know it sounds crazy. I mean, Kentucky has been really great with us. I mean, I love the topography there. It's beautiful there. People are really nice. But we are ready for a change. We want to move here in Alabama because the weather here is, you know, so much warmer compared to Kentucky. And we want to be closer to the water because the beaches here is so beautiful. That sugar white sand is just really stunning. And the weather, it's really nice. It's warm, except when it's super humid, but we can take it all day long. I mean, it's really nice. I mean, it's not like we're gonna stay outside all the time, right? But I'm so excited to share with you the house that we chose. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the house as well as the process of our move. So without further ado, let's get this started. So we decided to handle this entire move on our own. Hiring movers was just too much and we took on the challenge ourselves. So we rented the biggest Penske truck available, and honestly, I was so worried everything wouldn't fit. And thankfully though, we have a friend who's basically a packing genius. He organized and stuffed everything so efficiently that it blows my mind how everything just perfectly compact, in there. And we were so excited, and I'm incredibly grateful to everyone who helped us pack and load everything. There's just no way we could have done it without them. And this is a photo of our we actually did it quote unquote moment, taking a quick break before the real chaos began. Then came the final step, my husband driving the car up onto the trailer so we could tow it behind the truck. And once everything was secured, we hit the road. And you guys, I followed behind him, watching our entire life bounce down the highway in the truck. It was funny, emotional, and exciting all at once. New chapter, new state, new memories waiting for us on the other side. But it was really a long drive. But I did enjoy the view on the way. It was just a beautiful day. When we reached the Alabama state line, my daughter immediately asked for a picture and started posing like a pro. So cute. And after a long day of stops and slowdowns, we didn't pull up to the house until around 11 p.m. But what mattered most was that we made it safely, thank God. Now, let me show you our empty home before we move everything in. I did bring in a few of my plants. I left them out here last night because they're like suffocating in my car. But other than that, everything is a blank canvas. So welcome to our new home. And you guys, you see the floor. This is the first thing that I fell in love. I love the color. It's just perfect. And the living room has such a wide open space, which I absolutely love. And you see my cat. He's already exploring every corner like he owns a place. And my daughters are so excited. And these windows, oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. The big bright windows and tall ceilings make everything feel so open and full of light. And even though I'm sure tall ceilings are still my favorite. And now here is my kitchen. As you can see, it looks already beautiful, and eventually I would love to update the countertops, but for now I'm really happy with it. And you guys, this pantry, I love all of the space. We didn't have pantry in our old house, so I can finally organize all of my groceries and supplies the way I want it. Now let's head to the main bedroom. So after looking at so many houses, this room was one of the reasons we knew it was the one. The windows are my favorite feature. They fill the room with soft, natural light and create such a calm, airy atmosphere. And the ensuite continues that cozy feelings with a separate toilet, a relaxing bathtub, a spacious shower, and of course, my favorite, the walk-in closet. There is plenty of room for all of my things and maybe a little space for my husband too. And the other bedrooms are located on the far end of the house, which gives everyone a nice sense of privacy. And one thing that I really appreciate is that all of the flooring throughout the home is vinyl, super easy to maintain and perfect for choosing rugs that brings warmth and personality into each space. Now I already know my littlest daughter is gonna want some pink rugs. Next is the backyard. I love this screened-in area, you guys. It keeps the bugs out while still letting us enjoy the fresh air. The yard isn't as big as we originally hoped for, but it's more than enough for all the ideas I have in mind. And honestly, I love that it feels like a clean slate. We get to decide exactly what to plant and how to shape it into our own little outdoor haven. Now, here's the fun part. To unload everything, we did hire some help, but they took a little bit to arrive, and my husband was getting impatient, and so was I. So we started unloading a few things ourselves. But once the movers arrived, everything went so fast. They finished in about 2 hours, which was amazing. I'm so thankful for their help because, wow, we have a lot of stuff and boxes after boxes after boxes. The house is completely filled with right now. So, wish me luck as I start unpacking. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Moving in is just a step one, and I can't wait to show you guys how I transformed this house into a home. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because there will be more upcoming videos as I will show you how I decorate each part of our home. So again, I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Be well and be blessed. Till I see you next time. Bye. By the way, that's the peacock. Can you believe it? There's like wild peacock here in our neighborhood. But I haven't seen it yet. So maybe I'll see it one day. Bye!